If you look at Iceland, you'll notice that it doesn't really seem like a great place to do farming. Most of Iceland is rocky, cold, and prone to intense weather and really dark seasons. But underneath the surface, something else is going on. For how cold it gets here, there's also an endless supply of heat coming from the ground. For centuries, people have created farms around these pockets of heat, farming root vegetables like carrots and potatoes in this warm soil. Then, in 1924, the people of Iceland started building greenhouses. They would build them near pockets of geothermal heat and use the heat to disinfect the soil and warm the greenhouse. This allows Iceland to grow a wide variety of vegetables that otherwise would be impossible in such harsh climate conditions. Which brings us back to this tomato farm. It's called Fridheimar, and it's right on the Golden Circle. This place runs on geothermal energy and grows 360 tons of tomatoes per year, all of which are sold to local markets in Iceland. It was started by a couple who have taken up this craft of greenhouse agriculture in Iceland. And the best part about this is that you can come and partake for yourself. You can sit here in this greenhouse, surrounded by tomato plants, and you can order from a completely tomato-based menu, including a bottomless bowl of tomato soup and bread or pasta with fresh tomato sauce. They also get creative with things like this tomato drink. It's truly an experience worth having on the Golden Circle, not only to experience the fresh local food, but also to see an important part of Icelandic culture in action.